Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Dragon Quest 1 and 2 HD 2D remake game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, facing low FPS, black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check system requirements to play the game. So after searching for the game on your Steam, now go below and from here you can see the system requirements to play the game. Make sure your PC has all the required specs to play the game, and after that try to launch it and see if this resolves the problem. If not, next is to restart your PC as well as Steam. For that, click on Steam option, now click on exit. Now after this, click on Windows icon over here, now click on power, then select restart, and then after your system restarts, check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to the Windows, go to Steam. Under library section you have to select your game. Now here I am showing you an example. After selecting the game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and see if it helps. If not, again come back and type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this works. If not, next is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are updated. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics driver. After that, launch the game and see if it is working. NVIDIA and AMD users can go through this link that I have already provided in the description, and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to check graphics settings of the game. So if you are on the game, then you should check if the graphic settings is properly set up or not, like texture quality, resolution, etc. That directly impacts the game. So you are suggested to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Next method is to run the game as administrator. For that, you are suggested to first double click on the game application and then check. If not, then run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. Now this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to select the game application. Now double click on it and check if the game is launching or not. If not, then select the application, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK. Now try to play the game and see if it's working or not. If not, then again come back, select compatibility mode, run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8, or you can even select Windows 7 and then click on apply and OK and then launch the game. If the issue still continues, then again come back and select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then try to play the game. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now install files, click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Now after verifying the game files, try to launch the game. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall network protection, allow an app through firewall. Click on change and then search for your game. If it's listed, well and good. If not, click on allow another app. Go to the browse section, go to the game folder, select your game application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, select it. Make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, then click on OK. After that, launch the game and see if it is working or not. Next is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable. So you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will help you to fix the issue. Next method is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users launch Steam, click on Steam option, go to settings, click on in-game, enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, simply click on it to disable it. After disabling it, launch the game and see if it is working. GeForce Experience, just open it, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, then switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, click on game overlay tab, and from here you can switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, either search for Visual C++ on your browser, or you can also go through the link that I have already provided in the description. Copy and paste in your browser. After the website opens, go below, and from here you have to download the Visual C++ files. Now after downloading it, install them. Once you install them, restart your PC once. After restarting, log into the game and then check if you can play it without any problem. Next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now this will take you to the Windows update page. Here you should check if any update is available by clicking on check for updates option. If any update is there, update your Windows and restart your PC, and after that try to launch the game. Next method is to disable antivirus program as well as firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for Windows security. After that, click on virus and threat protection. Go below, click on manage settings, and here you should turn off real-time protection. If it is turned off, well and good. If not, turn it off. And once done, again go to the Windows search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Here select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both public and private network settings and click on OK. And after that, launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. But you are suggested to enable the protection later on. Next is to install DirectX. So for that, search for DirectX on your browser, or you can go through the link I have already provided in the description and paste it in your browser. Opens. Here you have to click on download and the file will be downloaded. Now after downloading, you have to install it. Once installed, restart your PC and again try to launch the game and then check if it's working or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Dragon Quest 1 and 2 HD 2D remake game. For that, launch Steam, select your game on the library section, right click on it, click on manage, click on uninstall, and simply click on uninstall option once again. Now this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your system. Once you restart, launch Steam and again reinstall Dragon Quest 1 and 2 HD 2D remake game, and then click on play option and then check if the game is launching or not. So these are few suggested methods that you should try to resolve crashing, not launching, or any kind of errors or issues you come across while playing Dragon Quest 1 and 2 HD 2D remake game on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.